Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. Today we are going to talk about the new normal. What do they call the new normal? Do you feel that you are equipped enough to deal with it? Let me talk about the 4 things which you need to do in order to be more adapted to it. You've heard of the word VUCA, V-U-C-A, which was originally coined for the situation which was volatile, V for volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. But now in the new normal, the whole meaning of VUCA has changed. People have introspected, people have gone within so much during the lockdown time that the VUCA has a new definition, wherein V is for visualization, U is to understand, C is to communicate and A is to adapt. Visualize what? Visualize actually a world which is no more a VUCA, which is no more volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. None of these 4 qualities anymore. Let's together as human beings visualize a earlier VUCA free world. Let us look at new innovative solutions. Let us visualize a new world order. Let us visualize creative solutions. Let us visualize a world free of boundaries. So these are the kind of visualizations we should be doing. Understand, when we understand from what level, we should understand from our heart and from our soul. We should understand what is the person actually saying, what is his word meaning, is it only the words, what is that person behind those words seeking. We should again talk less and hear more, listen to understand more. For V was visualization, U is to understand, C is to communicate. Friends, let us have the courage of being vulnerable at times. This is the new normal for us now. It's okay to be vulnerable. So in order to communicate more openly with an open heart, to have the ability to show your true colors, that would be the new normal now. Again, communicate your new ideas. Understand what the other person is trying to say when he's relating something innovative, something creative. Do not judge, do not jump to conclusions about the other person. And friends, the last is A for adapt. Visualize, understand, communicate, and A is adapt. Adapt, what does adapt mean? It means that we have to be more flexible and dynamic. We have to come across something which would be new, which could be, we are not able to adjust with that, we are not flexible about it. So we need to change ourselves on that and become more adaptable. We should be open to ideas. We should be more open to show our soul. Adapt in other things would be to new thoughts, new circumstances. All of these things would come under adapt. So friends, VUCA, the new definition. Let us go ahead. I would want you to start practicing on any one of these and tell me, how do you think about it? A new visualization, a new understanding, a new adaptation, a new type of communication. So you can comment in the video below and let me know your thoughts. You can again write to me at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. Tell me what you think about this video and the new VUCA. So see you soon. Thank you for being, and bye.